Hi everyone, you're welcome to our weekly Forex forecast for this week of May the 25th to 29th, 2020. I'm super excited to bring this forecast to you. And we've looked at price action as it unfolded for last week as against the week that just ended. Our analysis were quite spot on. We saw some bit of reduced volatility, and so prices didn't quite move as quickly as we thought it would, but at the end we were quite profitable. Like I always say, and that's what I do. Look at price on a daily close basis. So we do some bits of intraday trading and take our profits as they come. Uh, on my chart this hour is the GBP USD. Before I go on, let me also say this: trading is a risky business, and you need good financial advice to put your money out in the forex market for trading. And this video is for educational purposes only. If these videos I put out has been beneficial to you, I'd like you to click the like button, uh, click on the subscribe handle and the bell notification beside it, and you'll be notified whenever I bring videos like this to the market. And apart from the currency pairs I look at, if you'd like me to look at some other pairs that you're interested in, that you love trading, you could just type in the comment box the particular currency pair you want me to look at, and I'll sure get back to you and we'll look at that uh, in the coming weeks ahead. Now, without further ado, let's go straight to the business of the day. Right here on my chart, I'm looking at the GBP dollar pair, the pound dollar pair. And for this pair, we our analysis for the week was to see a retest. We had this a fortnight ago, and we were looking for a retest of this area before we go higher. And our analysis was quite spot on. We didn't. Sorry, before we go lower, not higher. Sorry about that. And our analysis was quite spot on because we saw the retracement, but we've not had the volatility that would take us down as low as 1.19 handle as we predicted for um, this past week. So now, what do I expect price to do? Basically, we could just put a pending sell stop order below the low of the just concluded week and allow price action take us further down. But let's zoom in to look at where price is likely to get to, what price is likely to do for this new week. I want to look at the daily time frame. From the daily time frame, what I have here, we see a strong bearish candle and telling us price is still likely to get down. And for this week, what I expect price to do is to continue to the 1.21 handle and do some bit of retracements from there. But we're looking forward to price getting to the 1.2050 area. Basically, from here, this looks like a butterfly harmonic pattern. And for those that trade harmonics, we are yet to get to the, the PRZ, as in the PRO zone, the point of reversal. And looking at what price is likely to do here, let me quickly draw this. I'm looking at price getting to 1.20 2020 area, 1.2020 handle before we see any bullish reversals around here. So that's where I'm looking at seeing price get into this 1.2020 area, and we'll look for reversal candles around there to go higher. The next pair I'll be looking at is the pound Canadian dollar pair. For this pair, um, we're looking forward to seeing price come to the 1.70 handle, and that price has done. And if you look at the price action for the past week, we've been in a range between the 1.71 handle and 1.70 handle. Price has just been moving sideways for the whole of the past week. And now for this week, what I'll be expecting, Friday's candle has given us an inverted hammer around, telling us we could still have a retest of this support at 1.70 handle, which has been strong so far. Now, what do we do in the markets open on Monday? We're expecting price to break and close below the 1.70 handle and take us lower to the 1.6808 handle. If we don't see price break through this and it breaks higher, if price breaks higher, we'll be going upwards to about the 1.72 handle before we continue lower. Basically, we are in a bearish trend from the price action, but we most likely will be looking forward to prices breaking out of this range for us to have a clear direction on what to do on Monday. So we're waiting for a break, either a break below the support at 1.70 or a break above the resistance at 1.71, and the break above will take us about 100 pips to 1.72 handle. We look for reversal candles around there to continue selling. But if it breaks below the support, yeah, at 1.70, we'll be looking forward to seeing prices going as low as the 1.6868 handle. That's the next key level of support. The next I'm looking at is gold. For gold, we're expecting prices to go as high as 1761, which it did as the market opened on Monday. We expected a small retracement in and going as far as the 1.1761 area, and which price did just slipped a little past it and closed bearish for Monday. So for this new week, what are we expecting price to do? From what we have here, we have this as an inverted hammer at a key level of resistance. Now we have this here as reversal candle. We also have an evening star which has formed here, telling us most likely we are going to go lower. We've only seen Friday's candle trying to retest the highs formed by these reversal candles, and from all indications, there was some bit of rejection. We could see prices go up a little bit on Monday to retest the highs before we continue lower. And going lower, first level of resistance will be at the 1697 handle. If we break and close below that, we will be looking at the 1666 handle. So that's my take for the week. Looking forward to price going bearish, but after a retracement of the highs, a retest rather of the highs here. The next I'll be looking at is the USD Canadian dollar pair. And for this pair, we've seen price, we expected price to go a little bit higher, but it gave us, rather moved lower to some fresh lows in the past 2 weeks. We now came down to 1.39. We closed at 1.3941. Now, what am I expecting the price to do on Monday? From the look of things, we have broken and closed below and back above the 1.40 handle. And from the stochastic momentum indicator here and price action here, we're expecting more bullishness in the USD CAD on Monday, like for next week. So basically, it's just to get a follow through. If you can trade this, we'll be looking forward to price going up to the 1.41 handle. That will be we go up to 1.4135. That's as far as we will be looking at price getting to, which is like the upper band of the Bollinger Band. So that's basically look at price going up to that area. If we see a break and close above that, we'll be looking forward to going higher, even onto the 1.4250 area. But basically, we're looking for our first TP, taking up profits in this trade will be at the 1.4135 area. The next I'm looking at is the dollar yen pair. Sorry about that. Yeah, dollar yen pair. And for this pair, what we have, looking at the weekly, we've seen bullishness. In fact, this is one pair which we looked at. We looked at a fortnight ago, and we were looking at price getting up as much as the 108.40 area. Price has moved up, but not quite gotten to that area. And what we have on the weekly, um, we've seen two bullish weeks, and the price action for the past week still tells us that there is still room to the upside. That price is most likely to get to. Now, let's zoom in to the daily time frame. Now, from the daily time frame, we closed Friday the doji. Market is undecided yet. Now, we want to see price. We want to see price go up as much as the 108.770. That's what we look at for Monday, is to get a buy stop above the highs of Friday and look forward to seeing price get to the 108.77 area. If we get a break and close above that, I think we can get as much as the 109.40 area upwards. So but basically, I'm looking forward to seeing more bullishness in the pound, sorry, the dollar yen pair. Sorry about that. The next I'm looking at is the euro Canadian dollar pair. For this pair, we were expecting price to go up as much as the 1.55 area. We, of course, we have various resistances before we get to that area. Which our first area of take profit, we're looking at price getting to the 1.5270 area, and price effectively got there. But based for right now, based on the price action we have here, we have somewhat like two dojis just side by side each other, telling us, and this is a key level, telling us price is likely to reverse here. So what do we do on Monday? Uh, you can place a sell stop, a 20 pip sell stop below the low of Friday's candle, and the low is at 1.5242. We place a 20 pip sell stop at 1.5222, and we see look at price come to test the key level of support at 1.5125 or 1.5130 area. And basically, based on the choppiness of price, we might see, except we have volatility that will take it below that area, but that's where most likely we'll see prices get to. So with that said, that will be that for this week. Uh, we should trading success this week. We'll still keep ourselves safe and keep on making profits. Bye for now. See you in the next video.